Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Possibly, like many of you watching this video, I've found this week very hard to deal with. I've basically had to drag myself through to the end of the week. I've got lots of students in Russia, plenty of students in Ukraine and also in Belarus, and I've got lots of really good friends on the ground in Ukraine, including in cities like Kharkiv, which have been shelled and bombed for days now. And during the week, I found myself suddenly bursting into tears or trying to hold back the tears as I'm going about my everyday life and trying to cook dinner for the kids or popping down the shops or whatever. I've been inundated with messages and requests and emails from people all over the region. And I found myself constantly on the verge of a kind of severe anxiety. Basically, what I've been struggling to do and trying to do is just keep it together. If you manage to keep it together, you basically manage to remain calm, composed, and self-possessed, especially in times of trouble or in times of difficulty. So you might hear people say things like, to be honest, I had a really hard time keeping it together after the death of my wife. Or maybe, for example, I don't know how she manages to keep it together when she's got so many different responsibilities to manage. If I was in her shoes, I wouldn't be able to cope. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd like to see examples of how you might use keep it together.